Yes, what you've heard is true. A judge recently struck down open carry in Florida. So starting September 25th in Florida, you can now open carry. What does that mean? It doesn't mean you can have a gun any place, anytime. It's not what that means. If you're not legally allowed to have a gun, you still can't have a gun. And you can't have guns in places like bars or government buildings. But as long as you're legally allowed to have a gun, you can either have it concealed on you or you can open carry. So if you got a concealed weapons permit or you got, want to carry open, you can use your gun in Florida, ladies and gentlemen. Be my guest. But if you use it wrong, give me a call.